1 2 3
देखो,
go.
सेल, स्ट्रक्चर एंड फंक्शंस, कोशिका, उसकी संरचना और कार्य, ठीक है। कि भी उसमें क्या होता है, स्ट्रक्चर माने उसमें होता क्या है अंदर उसके, ठीक है। क्या क्या होता है, जैसे इसके अंदर क्या होता है, क्या क्या होता है इसके अंदर,
इसके
नहीं
अंदर
पता
काफी कुछ होता
तो
है,
बताऊँ,
बस
बताएं
पता नहीं
तो
है।
बताएंगे। अच्छा, फंक्शन इसके काम क्या क्या काम करती है, ठीक है, ये बताया जाए इसमें, ठीक है। इसके अंदर लिक्विड सा होता है, क्या होता है इसके अंदर, लिक्विड सा भरा होता है, ठीक है। इसमें ये उसके ऊपर क्या होता है, सेल मेम्ब्रेन होती है, ऊपर क्या होती है इसके, सेल मेम्ब्रेन होती है, ठीक है। मेम्ब्रेन होती है ऊपर चारों तरफ। तू पढ़ा के।
You have already learned that things around us are either living or non-living. Further, you may recall that all living organisms carry out certain basic functions. Can you list these functions?
Different sets of organs perform the various functions you have listed in this chapter. You shall learn about the basic structural unit of an organ, which is the cell. Cells may be compared to bricks. Bricks are assembled to make a building. Similarly, cells are assembled to make the body of every organism.
ठीक है।
Discovery of the cell. Robert Hooke in 1665 observed slices of cork under a simple magnifying device.
मैग्नीफाइंग डिवाइस।
Cork is a part of the bark of a tree. He took thin slices of cork and observed them under a microscope. He noticed partitioned
पार्टीशन
boxes or
कंपार्टमेंट्स,
compartments in the cork slice. Figure 8.1.
ठीक है। देखो, हाँ आए बाबू जी, पढ़ियो।
Cork cells as observed by Robert Hooke. These boxes appeared like a honeycomb. He also noticed that one box was separated from the other by a wall or partition. Hooke coined the term cell for each box. What Hooke observed as boxes or cells in the cork were actually dead cells. Cells of living organisms could be observed only after the discovery of improved microscopes. Very little was known about the cell for the next 150 years after Robert Hooke's observations. Today we know a lot about cell structure and its functions because of improved microscopes having high magnification. 8.2 The cell.
8.2 both bricks in a building and
सेल तो बोल देता है।
8.2 the cell, both bricks in a building and cells in the living organism are basic structural figure 8.2. The building through built of similar bricks have different design, shapes and sizes. Similarly, in the living world, organisms differ from one another, but all are made up of cells. Cells in the living organism are complex living structures, unlike non-living bricks.
A hen's egg can be seen easily. It is a cell or a group of cells. A brick wall. Onion peel. The egg of a hen represents a single cell and is big enough to be seen by the unaided eye. 8.3 Organisms show variety in cell number, shape, and size. How do scientists observe and study the living cells. They use microscopes, magnify objects. Stains dyes are used to color parts of the shell to study the deleted structure. There are millions of living organisms. They are the different shapes and size. Their organs also vary in shape, size and number of cells. Let us study about some of them. Number of cells.
Number of cell. Can you guess the number of cells in a tall tree or in a huge animal like elephant? The number of runs into billions and trillions. Human body has trillions of cells which are vary in shapes and sizes. Different sizes of cells perform a variety of function.
A billion
A billion is a thousand million. A trillion is 1,000 billion.
organisms made of more than one cell are called multicellular, many-cellular cell organisms. The number of cells being less in smaller organisms does not in any way affect the functioning of the organisms. You will be surprised to know that an organism with billions of cells beings life as a single cell, which is the fertilized
Fertilizers.
egg. The fertilized egg cell multiples and the number of cells increase as development produce. Look at the figure 8.3. A and B, both organisms are made up of a single cell. The celled organisms are called unicellular, one cellular cell. 8.3. A amoeba, B paracium. Organisms. A single celled of organism performs all the necessary functions that multicellular organisms perform. A single celled organism like amoeba captures and digests food, replies, extracts, grows and reproduces. Similar functions in multicellular organisms are carried out by groups of the specialized cells forming different tissues in turn from organs. Activity 8.1.
Activity 8.1. The teacher may show a permanent slide of amoeba and parapacium under a microscope. Alternatively, the teacher can collect pond water and show these organisms by preparing the slides.
Shape of cells. Refer to figure 8.3a. How do you define the shape of amoeba in the figure? You may say that the shape appears irregular. In fact, amoeba has no defined shape. Unlike other organisms, it keeps on changing its shape, length, protruding out of its body. These are called pseudopodia feet. As you learnt in class 7, these projections appear and disappear as amoeba moves or feeds. What advantage does amoeba derive by changing shape? The change in the shape is due to formation of fused podia, which facilitates movement and help in capturing food. A white blood cell VBC in human blood is another example of a single cell which can change its shape, but while WBC is a shell, amoeba is a full-fledged organism capable of independent existence.
What shape would you expect in organisms with millions of cells? फिगर 8.4 ABC देखो कहाँ 8.4 ये ना वो ए में तो क्या सिंगल सेल है ना क्या ये सिंगल सेल और ये भी सिंगल सेल ही हैं दो सारी ठीक है क्या
और
ये भी सिंगल सेल है एक पूरी ठीक है ये
तीनों सिंगल सेल।
तो सारी सेल्स से हम किस तरह का जीव बनेगा वो देखेंगे हम ठीक है इसमें द नर्व सेल रिसीव्स एंड ट्रांसफर्स मैसेजेस देयर बाय helping to control and coordinate the working of different parts of the body. Can you guess which part of the cell gives its shape? Components of the cells are enclosed in the membrane. This membrane provides shape to the cells of plants and animals. Cell wall is an additional covering over the cell membrane in plant cells. It gives shape and rigidity to these cells. Bacterial cell also has a cell wall. ठीक है
Size
size
of
of cells
cell. The size of cells in living organisms may be as small as a millionth of meter, as a few centimeters,
माइक्रोमीटर और माइक्रोन और मे बी एज लार्ज
or may be as large few centimeters.
जैसे एक बार जो
However,
लार्ज सेल है वो कौन सी है सेंटीमीटर कौन सी है एग कौन सी है
egg,
अंडा ठीक किसी भी चीज
अंडा, अंडे का.
आगे
However, most of the cells are microscope in size and are not
माइक्रोस्कोपिक साइज का मतलब क्या हुआ कि वो
visible to the unaided eye.
ठीक है तो वैसे यहाँ से दिखाई देते ठीक है बिना सेल के
They need to be enlarged or magnified via microscope. The smallest cell 0.1 to 0.5 micrometer. In bacteria, the largest cell measuring 170 mm into 130 mm is the egg of the ostrich. इतना बड़ा होता है क्या ostrich का अंडा?
Activity 8.2. While a hen's egg remove the shell, what do you observe? A white material surrounds the yellow part. White material is albumin, which solidifies on boiling. The yellow part is yolk. It is part of the single shell. You can observe this single shell without any magnified device. Are the cells in an elephant larger than the shells in a rat?
ठीक है क्या जो आते की कुछ कहें वो बड़ी होंगी क्या चूहे की से नहीं ऐसा नहीं है ठीक है साइज
The size of the cells has no relation with the size of the body of the animal or plant. It is not necessary that the cells in the elephant be much bigger than those in a rat. The size of the cell is related to its function. For example, nerve cells both in the elephant and rat are long and branched. They perform the same function that of transferring messages. 8.4 cells structure and function.
You
have learned that each living organism has many organs. You have studied in class 7th about the digestive organ, which together constitute the digestive system. Each organ in the system performs different functions such as digestion, assimilation and absorption. Similarly, different organs of a plant perform specialized functions. For example, roots help in the absorption of water and minerals. Leaves, as you have learned in class 7th, are responsible for synthesis of food. Each organ is further made up of smaller parts called tissues. A tissue is a group of similar cells performing a specific function. Paley realized that an organ is made up of tissues, which in turn are made up of cells. The cells in a living organism is the basic structural unit. पहले तो क्या है, सेल होती है, क्या होती है पहले, सेल, ये सेल है,
इतनी छोटी
इससे क्या बनता है, टिश्यू बनता, क्या बनता है,
टिश्यू पेपर,
टिश्यूज,
टिश्यू पेपर नहीं, कुछ और
उसके बाद क्या बनता है, ऑर्गन, क्या बनता है उसके बाद, ऑर्गन, ठीक है, ज़्यादा, ऑर्गन,
ऑर्गन
इसकी थोड़ी शेप से होती है, क्या होती है इसकी शेप से होती है, ठीक है, बाहर से दाना को ऑर्गन की
8.5 पार्ट ऑफ द सेल।
चलिए पार्ट ऑफ सेल कल पढ़ेंगे, ठीक है, इतना काफ़ी आज है।